In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check a Duracell battery life. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present what options you have to check the battery life of any Duracell battery. So, first, there is one straightforward and extremely simple way to check the life. If your Duracell battery has a power check strip, as you can see on this example here, these special Duracell batteries will have the built-in tester. You will be able to look for two metal dots on the battery, one on the side and one near the bottom, and when you squeeze both dots at the same time, and a yellow bar is going to move accordingly up a gauge on the side of the battery. The location of this bar will indicate how much life is left in the battery. So it is going to be full, half full, or low. And if it doesn't have the power check strip, then it becomes more complicated. Unfortunately, there is no perfect way to tell exactly how much life is left in a regular Duracell battery. You can try two things. First, by using a multimeter. This tool is going to be able to measure voltage, so a new Duracell battery will typically measure around 1.5 volts. As the battery dies, the voltage will decrease. However, this isn't a super reliable way to measure battery life, and it requires a separate tool like I mentioned. The other option is using a device itself. Sometimes the device that you are trying to use the battery in will give you a low battery warning. This is a good indicator that you need to swap the Duracell battery that you are using. But besides using the power check strip, which is usually included in higher end models of the Duracell battery, there is no easy or straightforward way of checking the battery, so just keep that in mind. If you don't have access to the power check strip, there is not much that you can do. I hope I was able to help you on how to check Duracell battery life. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.